Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to add stickers on WhatsApp so that it will make it more fun and crazier sometimes. So yeah, here we need to click WhatsApp. We are now on my status, calls, let's go to our chats. So here, I'm gonna chat my friend. So, let's say, hey! And then, put a sticker. You can choose any sticker, I guess. Yeah, you can here, coffee, and more stickers. Here, just download it. Download. Yeah, I guess that's it. So here, have a lot of stickers, more funnier, and exciting sometimes. See, hey, chill, nope, haha, go, wow. That's it. That's how you make chat more funnier and crazier sometimes. Yeah, I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.